Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
This weather just keeps getting better and better. So nice during the day, and then it's cooling off nicely at night as well.
Just very, very fall-like, to say the least. Cool mornings, pleasantly warm afternoons. It's going to continue through the end of the week, and then there's going to be a change coming for the weekend. It's the timing, I know, but we have no control over that. But let's kind of talk about it, give you a preview of our next weather maker. It is going to be another cold front, so I will say this, behind this system, we're going to have maybe even better weather than what we've had here recently heading into early next week. It's the weekend, though, that there are going to be some impacts out of this one. Showers and thunderstorms are looking probable. Few of those perhaps could be on the strong side. Now, we are not officially outlook for severe weather at this time in North Alabama. On Saturday, that threat is off to the west through Arkansas, gets as close to us as western Tennessee, northwestern Mississippi. What's going to work in our favor perhaps could be the timing of all of this. Showers and thunderstorms will get going out here into the afternoon hours on Saturday, and then, as you know, things move from west to east, so we will get in on rain and storms later than that, most likely heading into Saturday night. So that could work in our favor, at least in terms of keeping the severe weather potential down, since temperatures will be on a cooling trend into the overnight hours. And again, this is the breakdown right now. I don't think we'll have any problems Friday night. Another good evening for high school football coming up for the end of the week. Saturday, we've got the rain chance 20%. Most of the day will be fine. It is looking like that Saturday night time frame and perhaps lingering into Sunday morning. Keep in mind, though, we're still several days out. The timing of all this could shift a little bit, but this is kind of what we're keying in on right now. So if that were to be the case, that would be really kind of best case scenario for us in terms of the timing of everything, not only in terms of a severe weather threat, but also overall impact on your plans for the weekend. Hopefully this is really all we get out of it, which is some good rainfall potential. Right now, that possibility sits at around 1 inch to maybe up to 2 inches of rainfall, which we need. It's been rather dry as of late. We have a little bit of drought in some areas, and so that rain would be certainly a good thing. For now, though, we're just kind of waiting for all this to come together. 31 Triple Doppler, all clear. Future radar next few days, not anything to show you. You're going to see the clock change, but a little else going on. Skies will be clear tonight. Plenty of sun and blue sky tomorrow, very similar to what we saw today. Lunchtime looks good. Tomorrow afternoon looks equally as nice as it turned out today. We head into Wednesday morning. Really nothing changes here. Mostly clear skies to start and plenty of sunshine through the end of the day on your Wednesday. Quick update on the tropics. We do have Tropical Storm Lorenzo out here. It doesn't look particularly organized, but a little stronger as of the 10 p.m. update. 60-mile-per-hour sustained winds, likely maintaining that intensity, but notice the track. It's middle of the Atlantic right now. That's where it is going to stay. So once again, this is going to be no threat to any major land areas. It just impacts the fish in the sea, and we like it when those storms stay out over the open waters of the Atlantic and don't make it to the U.S. For us overnight tonight, dropping back again into the low mid-50s. Light jacket in the morning. You won't need it tomorrow afternoon. 69 by 10 a.m., 77 at the noon hour, and we will be back into the mostly low 80s tomorrow afternoon. A little bit warmer than average for this time of year, but the low humidity keeps it pleasant. May get into the mid-80s ahead of that weather maker for the weekend. The mornings, though, stay comfortable the rest of the week, mostly into the 50s. Again, we'll be tracking some rain and thunderstorm activity. And again, right now, timing out later Saturday night into early Sunday. Back to quiet weather this time next week and just a little bit cooler for us. May see daytime highs back in the 70s.
That is a big change.
Yeah, definitely.
Jeff. Huntsville Police